Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news where we cover the finance and economic news of the country which is useful for everybody including your friends and relatives. So watch this video and share it with everybody. News number 1, Delhi government has approved assistance to auto drivers and taxis. Delhi government will provide Rs 5,000 to auto drivers, taxis as financial support due to lockdown. In 2022, the Delhi government had provided Rs 5,000 for each of the 1.56 lakh auto and taxi drivers during the national lockdown. We need to see if any other states provide similar support to various professions including auto drivers and taxis. News number 2, quarterly results of L&T. Revenue for January to March 2020 44,906 crores and January to March 2021 49,116 crores. Change, it has gone up by 9.4%. Net profit 3,430 crores January to March 2020 and January to March 2021 3,820 crores, 11% rise. The results were above expectation of analysts. It is currently trading at around 1,415 per share compared to its 52-week high of 1,593. News number 3, monsoon to hit Kerala coast on May 30th. As per weather forecast, monsoon will hit Kerala coast on May 30th and then progress to other states. As per forecast, this year's monsoon or rainy season is likely to be normal. Usually a normal monsoon is a good sign for stock markets since agriculture will do well and therefore farmers, which accounts for majority of the population, can afford to buy various goods and services. News number 4, industrial production grew by 22.4% in March 2021. Due to very low industrial production in March 2020, industrial production grew by 22.4% compared to March 2020. In March 2020, industrial production had fallen by 18.7% due to the COVID situation. It was negative from March to August 2020. Industrial production measures the performance of various sectors such as manufacturing, mining, consumer durables, power generation, etc. News number 5, this week's stock market update. Nifty fell by 146 points and closed at 14,677 in this week, almost 1% down. Sensex fell by 474 points and closed at 48,732, almost 1% down again. 14,823 was the previous close last week and this week it closed at 14,677. In the middle, it even reached 14,966 and it went to a low of 14,591. So a very narrow range of movement for the Nifty. In the last few weeks, it has been moving in that narrow range of 14,300 to 15,000. We need to see whether it breaks on either side, whether it goes above 15,000 or falls below 14,300, and then it will be interesting to see what happens. This was today's breaking news. If this video was good, please press the like button. And also let us know in the comment section what you think about this action by the Delhi government to provide financial assistance for taxi drivers and autos and maybe for other sectors as well. Do you think it's a good policy of giving them money or will it make them lazy and expect more money from the government in the future? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Share this video with all your friends. Bye bye and all the best.